बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर मराठवाडा युनिव्हर्सिटी UGC Human Resource Development Center, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Refresher course on library and information science. My topic is on micro teaching on web skill discovery. Introduction. Web skill discovery services for the library environment have the capacity to more easily connect researchers with the library vast information repository. These include locally held and hosted content such as physical holding, digital collection, and local institutional repositories. Perhaps more significantly, web skill discovery also access a huge array of remotely hosted content, often purchase of license by the library, such as publishers and aggregators, content for tens of thousands of full-text journals, additional content from abstracting and indexing sources, and content from open access repository. Meaning of the web skill discovery: the connecting users with the information they seek is one of the prime objectives of web skill discovery. Sufficiently put, web skill discovery can be considered as a deep discovery within a vast ocean of content. There is so many content on the online platform. The web skill discovery are used to give a pinpointed information to the researchers. The mechanics behind web skill discovery are not necessarily new through the commercial applications of this approach within the library environment efficiently, and its hope effectively is a very new. It certainly holds the potential to be the evolution that libraries have long sought for information discovery. Web skill discovery services enable single search box queries that reveal content from a variety of sources. Discovery tools allows the users through a single search box to search a base index of metadata, as well as many of the libraries are digital sources such as proprietary database and catalog and institutional repositories. The Google experience result from both internal and external sources can be served up in a single relevancy. Web skill discovery services for the library environment are an evolution holding great potential to easily connect researchers with the library with the vast information repository by perceiving and central indexing content source across multiple web skill discovery services hold the premises for fundamental improve and streamline end users discovery and delivery of content. Such content include physical holdings such as books and DVDs, local electronic content such as digital images and collections, and collection and institutional repositories material, and remotely hosted content purchased or licensed by the library such as ebooks, publishers and aggregators, content for holds of full text and abstracting and indexing sources. Characteristic of web skill discovery. The main characteristic of the web skill discovery is a content discovery, delivery and flexibility. In content, this service harvests content from local and remotely hosted repositories and create a vastly comprehensive centralized index to article level based on a normalized scheme across content type, well suited for reputed search and retrieval of a result ranked by the relevancy. Content is enabled through the harvesting of local library sources combined with the broker agreements with publishers and aggregators allow access to their metadata and or full text content for indexing purpose. Discovery. These service have a single search box providing a Google like search experience as well as advanced searching capabilities. Delivery. These services provide a quick result ranked by the relevancy in a modern interface modern interface offering functionality design initiative to the expected by today's users, such as faceted navigation to drill down to more specific result, flexibility. These services are agnostic underlying system, whether hosted by the library or hosted remotely by content provider. These services are open compared to traditional library system and allow library greater latitude to customize the services and make it services its own. Web scale discovery: why users begin their search using Google or Wikipedia when they know your library has better quality resolution. They they uh, they want immediate and relevant result without knowing anything about the location of the content they are searching. There is of course a downside to this easy of use. The result they receive do not present incredible. Users expectation are increasingly driven by their experience with a search engine like Google and online bookstores like Amazon. When end users conduct a search in a library catalog, they expect their searches to find material on exactly what they are looking for. They want relevant research. Discovery tools evaluation checklist. There is so many the tools are available for the web scale discovery. There is single point of entry for all library information, state of the art web interface, enriched content, faceted navigation, simple keyword search box on every page, relevancy. Did you mean recommendation, related material, users contribution, RSS feed, integration with social network site, persist linkage. Discovery tools. There is two types of discovery tools. One is open source discovery tool. You can use these tools free of cost, and another tools is proprietary web scale discovery tools. Proprietary means it means somehow their rights to purchase to sell. The open source discovery tools are Blacklight, Factbook Open, Library Find, Rapis, Scriblio, Sopec, and ViewFind. And proprietary web scale discovery tools are WorldCat, Local OCLC, Summon, Serial Solution, EBSCO Discovery Service, EDS, Exlibris, Promo Central, and Encroach in Innovative Enterprise. While still fairly new, discovery tools are rapidly gaining content addition of while still fairly new discovery tools are rapidly gaining content, adding enhancement and growing their customers base. Libraries have adopted technologies that transform their services, and discovery tools are the next innovation. The unified index enhancing libraries to provide ensures access to their resource at time when mobile discovery are beginning to change how we work. This discovery tool opened the door for digital natives to encounter library-friendly services with low barriers of entry. When we look at the new discovery tools, we should remember what drives information decision in our everyday life. So when you are go for discovery tools, what is your requirement? You have to know. Okay, what is your requirement? What purpose you want this information? And then have any question?